Hi everyone, this is Ismail from CompuTec. In this video, we will learn how we can install WebUp application plugin in AppEngine. So here we launch the AppEngine address and let's log in to the system. And we properly configured our company, and now I can go to plugins tab, and here I can see all available plugins under the store, and I can click on more and find WebUp plugin, and I will install this WebUp plugin, and it will install also a WebUp BL, which is a business logic plugin running in the background. So I will just click on get install, and I will assign it to my company, my instance, and perform installation. Alright, now completed. We will close it, and it will require the restart of AppEngine. Alright, after restart completed, it will direct you to here, and you will see that this version of this application plugin has already been installed in this company. Alright, in this video we learned how we can install WebUp AppEngine application plugin in AppEngine administration panel. So thank you for listening.